Hey everybody, it's Alex Bigley. Welcome back to my little slice of the internet. And today we're going to be taking a look at the April 2019 BAM box, the pop culture box. There is a horror version, which I do not have. Three revealed properties in this are Avengers Endgame, Jurassic Park, and Shazam. Now, there's also has been told that there is another autographed Funko Pop in this box. Now, considering that some of the hints that they dropped, a lot of people think it might be Chris Pratt because they said that there's a few different pops of the actor, and considering that those are two properties here have Chris Pratt in it, you know, a lot of people are making that assumption. But without any further ado, we're going to get into this and know for sure. So I'm going to cut this open. How on earth? It opens this way. So I know that there's going to be the tissue paper. All right, so giving you first look. I didn't see that. So, okay, fine. Is that a better look? Any more in here? No, okay, fine. First things first. Ooh! Okay. Blindly pulling in, you have the Jurassic Park Visitors lanyard. It's pretty cool. It's actually made out of proper, plasticky card stuff, which is kind of cool. I do wonder if I put that into like a barcode reader, if that actually means anything. Let's see. Okay, here's the pin. This is Shazam blowing a bubble, bubblegum bubble, because that's something that happened, I think, in the movie. I didn't see this yet. I don't know if I will. It just doesn't seem like my thing. So, and I'm assuming this is like the signed. So I'm doing the pop last. Ooh, bit of artwork. The Thanos with the Infinity Gauntlet. So this is really nicely done. To forgive the glare off the cellophane poly bag. Oh, that's a cheat sheet and the pop. Is Bugs Bunny. Oh, hello. Who's this? Funko Pop has been hand signed by Eric Bauza, who has voiced numerous characters, and it was signed during private signing for Bandbox Pop Culture. I did not know that. I don't know really who that is. Let's look at the cheat sheet. That's it for the box. So we have the pops. There was the pins and the pops. You have regular one, exclusive 5 fan art ones. You have one of Billy Bastion and then one of Black Adam. There were 2 different versions of the art print. One with sort of a reddish background. Mine is a limited edition one. Cool. Only 500 of these bad boys. That's pretty cool. And the pops. Bandbox Funko signing with Eric Bauza. If I'm saying it wrong, I do apologize. Bauza. Yes, I said Z. Leave me alone. I know I'm American. I don't care. All right. Says, hey, what's up, Doc? Introducing Eric Bauza, the man of many voices. Most will get either Bugs Bunny or Woody Woodpecker, but some will get a chrome iron spider numbered out of 99. Watch out for Woody Woodpecker's chase variants randomly inserted in boxes. That's pretty cool. And then the past replica, although it shows 2, says, yes, but if the Pirates of the Caribbean breaks down, the pirates don't eat the tourists. Use this replica park pass to get into your favorite theme park. Turn feeding frenzy. And there seems to be only one, but I guess they put 2 up. So, yeah, I don't know who this is. I do apologize. So, apparently he also done a voice of Spider-Man, but this is from What's Opera Doc, probably one of the a good classic Looney Tunes cartoon, which also on the back here you can see there's an Elmer Fudd. Now I thought this was going to. I mean, when I saw this at first, until I looked at the certificate of authenticity to see who it was, I thought it was going to be Billy West for a second, but I didn't. That's why I was staring at the signature to see what that was. I'll be perfectly honest with who this guy is, so I feel kind of bad for that. This was a box that was sort of accidentally ordered. One thing that happens with Bandbox, and something I really wish that they would change. The only bit of criticism negatively I have for them is that I wish that they would give you the option to buy a single box instead of signing up for a subscription. Because I assumed for some reason that I either canceled it immediately or that it was only going to be the one box. So it rolled over and it renewed. I was like, oh crap, I didn't want to do this. And they once it's purchased, there's no refunds with that. They have their reasons, which is fine. They have to know how many of X items to put in. I get that. But then I found out this was going to be in here. So, I mean, who knows? Here's something for other Bandbox, the Bamly, as they've been calling themselves and have been called recently. Everybody and their grandma, can you wait at least 2 months before everybody and their grandma puts these on eBay, just to see maybe if the market might go up a bit, because the Boba Fett one, there's like, I can guarantee probably a good third or half of everyone who bought the Bandbox that had that in it, they're up on eBay right now. So yeah, you saturate the market, guess what? Nobody's going to buy it, and the prices are going to go up. So the entire point of you buying it and putting it on eBay is therefore null and void. With that said, the good thing about Bandbox, though, is they have a good community that they like to trade back and forth. So maybe if someone wants this, they have the other ones or something, or whatnot. Again, I'm not really a big Shazam fan. It just looks like he's trying to swallow a skee ball whole. And in Visitor Pass, this is kind of cool. This is like something, I could see like somebody wearing at a con or something like that. I do wonder, because I know Universal Studios has a Jurassic Park ride. I wonder if you can use this to kind of... If anybody has this and has done that, let me know. Let me know what I can get away with this. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, Bandbox. We've already gone through this far in the video. You should know what Bandbox is. It's a subscription service. All this kind of cool stuff. If you like collecting pins, it's a big one. I can dare say that. Actually, out of what's on here, I think I have maybe two that's. And that's about that myself. I have a couple. I have a lot of pins, but this is the hat I'm wearing right now. They have a lot of cool pins, a lot of great artwork. I mean, you see, this is just making amazing. This artwork. Now, as a piece of art, it's awesome. Is it something that I would necessarily want? No, but it's still a freaking awesome piece of art. So, with that said, Bandbox ships all this stuff out once a month. It's like $30, $35 shipped, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. I will put information here to fix that, my lack of knowledge. So they are boasting that I think there's going to be a signed pop in the May horror box, if I'm not mistaken. I might get that one. I don't know. They're kind of boasting that the both boxes right now are ones you don't want to miss. So I might pick them both up. I don't know. We'll see what happens when I get my next paycheck. But yeah, there's links in the description if you want to get your own Bandbox. By all means, I honestly I feel that Bandbox is a much better run and better curated subscription box service out there. Adam, the guy who runs the place, he is amazing, and he countless times has like live chats with the fan base, the people who subscribe, and he's very open when it comes to, like, you know, there's setbacks or problems, or this and this, that, and that. So, you know, it's not like, you know, they're too big for their britches, and you know, they think they're some hot crap, and they're gonna treat their you know, their subscribers like they're not needed or something like that. They try to get some quality stuff. So, with that said, this has been the April 2019 Bambox. If you want to see more of this, and you want to, you know, if you actually want to see me open more of these subscription boxes, by all means, I have a link downstairs. It goes. I've heard too many problems with Patreon. I do have a Patreon. I'm going to leave that link. But if you feel even more generous, or you want to actually make sure all the money actually goes to me, there's going to be a link downstairs to my PayPal. By all means, send that over there, because I heard Patreon has been kind of being a bit douchey as of late. So thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.